Hello and welcome to ProjectWork. I will tell you how to install this web app from the Google Workspace Marketplace in your Google Drive. When you click on ProjectWork, you have the option for an individual install or an admin install for groups if you are the admin of a Google Workspace domain. We choose an individual install. ProjectWork planning needs your permission in order to start installing. You will need to sign in with a Google account. Since your project schedule is stored in your own Google Drive, you need to give ProjectWork permission to access, but only to the specific files you use with this app. After the install, ProjectWork is available in your Google Drive. In Google Drive, we create a new ProjectWork schedule. We will select the first option to start a free 14-day trial. You need to register yourself to continue. A new empty schedule is generated. When the Quick Tour option is checked, orange borders show where tooltips are available. Circled eyes link to the manual with more information. Clicking Assistance gives a pop-up dialog with tips and news messages. In the project properties, we see the file details. We change the default file name to Demo Project. This schedule file can be found in Google Drive, where you can open it later. You can share the schedule with other ProjectWork users. Thank you for watching this demo video. You can install ProjectWork in the Google Workspace Marketplace.